Let's see if the phone fits in here. Let's start with that. Then I'm going to have to block. Yep, it'll fit. And I'm going to have to block the opening so she doesn't jump in while I'm doing this. I'm going to do number 2. Oh, I forgot to turn the flash on. Duh! Hold on. Ooh, I can see it without even zooming. That hole is like perfect size. Okay, I'm trying to find this side where you can see the heart. There. Okay, now let me block Rose. Just for a moment, Rose. Just for a moment. There. Turn this off. Oops. Blocking the light. Here. Try and do this before it gets daylight. Ooh, it's dark in here. Try one more thing. I want to move the plexi. Take that out for a minute. Okay. Make sure it's not getting too warm. It's not. Okay. So I'm thinking, oh, the poor baby's getting fried, but it's not. It's a LED light. It doesn't get hot. Let's see what we can see on number 1. Let's turn it so we can see it. We can see anything in it. I'm looking, I can see better live. I mean, hold on. See the air sac? See the air sac? Okay, this is number 1. Now, I can tip it just a little. Let's see if we can see anything. I'm trying to see if I see anything moving. Not yet. I just see lots and lots of blood vessels. Let's move this one. Oh, these things are so delicate. This is number 3. And it does not look fertile. Number 3 does not look fertile. Remember, we were wondering about that one. Now, I saw them dancing on number 4. But we wondered about number 3. If we saw her dancing, I think that was number 3 we were concerned about. Did they dance for this one? And it does not look fertile. I don't see anything in it. But I'm going to give it a little bit more time. Just to make sure. If number 3 shows nothing, I know number 4 is not. If number 4 shows something, then we know number 3 is not fertile. So let's look at number 4. I saw them dancing for number 4. They danced a whole bunch of times yesterday. And can't tell. It's a little early. It's usually not good to look within 5 days. Number 4 looks like it's a little bit. You got to remember the fertilization thing at this early stage is smaller than the tip of a pin. You know, it's so little on these little bitty eggs. As you can see, my fingernail. Look at my thumbnail. You see my thumbnail? See my thumbnail? I think my thumbnail is bigger than the egg. Anyway, so that little dot is so tiny at this early of a stage. So we know number 2 is fertile. We know number 1 is. So we'll just have to keep an eye on number 3. And I can see number 1 is growing rapidly inside. It's grown so much I can barely see anything. All right, well, I'm done with this. I'm going to turn this like this. Turn my flashlight off. Wow. I'm still at 100%. Flashlight didn't even eat up my battery. Put the plexiglass back in. I have to keep the plexiglass in because if I don't, I know I'm going to have to adjust the lighting. So just give me a minute and I'll fix that. And let Rose back in.